Hey everybody, Dr. Mac here at Victoria Falls on the Zambia side. Over right behind me we have a bunch of basalt cliffs just like we have in central Washington. The difference is in central Washington our basalt flows were being laid down between 5 million and 17 million years ago. Our basalt flows have very nice smooth columns on them. These basalt flows back out behind me, those are over 170 million years ago. 170 million, so they're 10 times older than the basalt that we have. Take that age, take it with the warmer climate around here, and these basalt columns have been very weathered, they're not smooth, but you can still see once in a while, and some places there's some joints between a newer flow on top, then there's a joint where you can see a little bit of vegetation, and then there's a flow that's an older flow beneath of it, and then there's another joint with some vegetation. We see that same process in Washington. It's just it's a little easier to see in Washington because they are newer rocks. Here it's just so old, but what we're trying to do is compare similar processes in different locations and see what are the differences. Even though they're similar, they're not exactly the same. Why are they similar? Why are they different in different locations? If Collie will come around here and we'll see over my shoulder here, we'll have the bridge that goes between Zambia on the one side, Zimbabwe on the other, and we have the Zambezi River down here that makes the Victoria Falls. The Victoria Falls are off to the left, and there we go. Part of Victoria Falls geology. Dr. Mac, have a good day.